Okay, so guys, in this video, we are going to solve exercise 2.1 or example 2.1 from the book Franco Electric Circuit Fundamentals. The question actually says, so the first part says, what is the maximum voltage that can be safely applied across a 10 kilo ohm and 1/4 watt resistor? Okay, the first information which we get from the question is that we need to find the voltage. We know the resistance of this resistor, 10 kilo ohm, and we also know the power being absorbed by this resistor. We know the most common formula for power when we are having a resistor. It is P is equal to V square divided by R. We need to find the voltage, so we can separate voltage from here. So we will have V square, R will move towards the opposite side, P times R. P is actually 1 divided by 4. R is actually 10 kilo ohm. Now kilo is actually 10 to the power 3. And this whole thing will be under root because we are having squared. So we will have squared on both sides. So we will actually be equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. So this is actually 2550. Now this was A part. B part says, what is the maximum current that can be forced through the same resistor? Again, we have the same data. And now we have to calculate the maximum current that can be delivered. So we can use, we have another formula for power, that is P is equal to I square R. Okay, so we can separate I for this equation. We will have P divided by R with a root. So P is actually 1 divided by 4. R is actually 10 times 10 to the power 3. This will be under root. So we will have I is equal to, now 1 divided by 4 is actually 0.25. And you know this step is actually very important. You know why? Because if you will directly put this 1 by 4 into the calculator, you will get a wrong answer. Okay, so you have to write 0.25 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. So now the answer will be 5 times 10 to the power negative 3 ampere, which is actually 5 milliampere. Okay,